conditioning is a process that helps keep your hair hydrated, making it smooth, soft and frizz-free. However, loading your tresses with chemical-laden conditioners can be unhealthy in the longer run. Dry, frizzled and rough hair calls for taking proper care, which includes oiling, shampooing and conditioning them until they are good to go. Using a good conditioner is a priority for people who have an uncontrollable frizz, uneven texture and split ends. However, loading your tresses with chemical-laden conditioners can be unhealthy in the longer run. What if we tell you there are natural ingredients that act as amazing conditioners, such that you wouldn't have to turn to synthetic ones anymore? Here are some of the best natural hair conditioners you can make at home. 1. Vinegar and egg conditioner. To make this hair conditioner, you just need to have eggs, olive oil, honey, vinegar and lemon juice by your side. Whisk 2-3 eggs and add a tablespoon of vinegar and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in it. Mix well. Add about 1½ teaspoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well in a blender and make a thick paste. Apply the paste on your hair tips and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Egg acts as an effective conditioner and adds shine to your hair. Olive oil is an amazing elixir for making your hair stronger. Honey helps keep your hair hydrated and vinegar is responsible for treating hair loss. So you can use them regularly to make your locks a lot stronger and healthier. 2. Banana hair mask. Take 1 banana, 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of olive oil and an egg. Mix all of these ingredients well and make a paste. Apply the paste on hair and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes and then wash it off. Banana is one of the best hair conditioners that are beneficial for hair damage and works wonders for people with rough and frizzled hair. 3. Coconut oil and honey conditioner. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of curd and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix all of them well and apply them on your shampooed hair. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off with running water. Coconut oil not only helps your hair become smooth and soft but also helps in making your hair grow longer and thicker. The essential minerals and fatty acids in coconut oil nourish the scalp well. 4. Apple cider vinegar conditioner. Take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar along with 1 tablespoon honey and 2 cups of water in a bowl. Mix all the ingredients well. Once you have shampooed your hair, pour this solution in your hair tips, avoid exposing it to the scalp. Do not rinse it any further. Adding water is an essential step in order to dilute the vinegar. The acetic acid in SCV helps smoothen your hair. 5. Yogurt hair conditioner. Take a bowl and beat an egg in it. Add about 6 tablespoons of yogurt and mix the ingredients properly. Massage the mixture onto your hair and keep it covered. Leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes before you wash it off with normal water. Yogurt comes to you as an easy solution thanks to its protein content and lactic acid that helps cleanse your scalp. 6. Aloe vera hair conditioner. Take 1 tablespoon lemon juice and at least 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl and mix them well. Apply it in your shampooed hair and wait for 5 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Aloe vera is said to stimulate hair growth and bring a shine to them. It helps restore the pH balance of the hair.